Welcome back, friends, and we are here today to prove to you that it is true. Two wrongs do not make a right. We're Ben and Josh. It's Camping Gear TV.
And just another reminder, because it's a GCI-oriented week, our gear giveaway is two really great products. Remember we got the chair that we looked at last episode.
I remember that.
Yep, the GCI Wilderness Recliner. We're giving away four of these bad boys.
And four people are each going to win two of the chair we're looking at today.
The GCI Pack Seat.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's just too much love in the house.
And it's a very cool chair, too.
Yeah, we've looked at some travel chairs in the past, and they've been awesome. So awesome that I thought, oh man, no one's going to have anything that's worth looking at after some of the chairs we looked at. But GCI sent this over, and it's awesome. You'll see why in a second. So we're not talking about a seat that you're going to be lounging for hours in by the campfire. This is a seat that's great for backpacking, really, really portable. So you can tell Gary loves it.
Right.
We're going to show why it's
doing a face plant.
Yeah, why it's so awesome. Yeah.
Come here, buddy.
So we're giving away 4 sets of 2 with this gear giveaway. And GCI pulled out all the stops with the construction again, just like the Wilderness Recliner.
Yeah.
It's got the 600 denier polyester for the seat and for the bottom bit. That
cool.
Yeah. I don't know what they call this.
The company's out of Connecticut?
Yeah.
That's what I was looking at on the tag.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I used to live there for a couple years.
Patented anti-splay reinforcement panel for added strength. That's what they call the bottom bit.
What do you got there?
The bars are my iPhone.
Oh.
Yeah. Powder coated aluminum 600 or powder coated aluminum with 600 denier polyester. So the polyester, up top, and the
What's
aluminum.
It called?
The pack seat.
Oh,
the GCI pack seat. So
nice.
Here's the cool bit about it. Okay, most travel chairs, they fold up like this.
Yeah.
You got them, and it's skinny enough that you can put it in the side of your pack,
Right.
or you fit it down below.
Sure.
This has a design where the legs come apart
Okay.
like this, and it folds up
All right.
to an even more compact state.
Okay.
And it slides
got
in
a
this
nice little
awesome bag.
Ben is a big fan of this bag.
Yeah.
Let's. I'm gonna tell a little story here.
Please
real
do.
quick.
Please do.
So we went out and used this bag. I don't know, a few weeks ago or whatever on our last big trip, and it comes in this bag which Ben left in my truck, and apparently he's been looking all over for it. I thought it was misplaced until. Once again, saved the day.
Big Papa. There was some cursing going on, I believe,
Yeah.
some frustration, because the bag really just kind of ties the whole thing together. We got a little...
Yeah, you would...
A chair.
Right.
A chair is in that little package.
Right.
That's, unbelievable. It has a carabiner on the back that you can use if you just want to hook it to a pack,
Right.
Like that. It's small enough where you could literally, I would bet this would fit in most bags in the side pouch where you can hold your drink.
Yeah, true that,
So,
true that.
So in this little guy, pull this out, you got yourself a seat. And I haven't seen anybody that has, this drawstring technology that they've, have
pretty cool.
applied. Yeah, it's really, really neat. So you unfold it there, and you got yourself a nice little seat you can use when you're, let's get this spread out.
How much weight can it support?
I don't know if it said that. Let
Uh-oh.
me check. I don't remember it saying how much weight it can support.
Oh,
I'm wrong. It did say it supports 250 pounds.
Hmm.
It's a lot for a little chair like this.
Yeah.
So, and it's, it is real sturdy. And the one trade-off, though, is that it's real small, it's real light, so, the room for your caboose, you've got to plan it on there kind of just right in the middle so that you're not, tilting all over the place. But once you're in there, you're going to be fine. And, really, really great backpacking chair. I cannot think that you're going to find something that is going to be more compact than this chair.
Very compact. How much does it weigh?
So we'll get into the specs. It weighs 26 ounces. That's pretty good. Open size 13 by 13 by 21, all inches. Folded size 15 by 4 by 4.
Very small.
Craziness. So,
You know what else is really small?
what?
Gary.
Yeah, he is teeny tiny.
Mm-hmm.
Like I used to say, size does matter.
Well,
I don't say that
Gary
anymore.
because he's got a big heart.
Right. Oh, that's true.
Yeah,
Size does matter then. It's the size of your heart
the size of your heart.
and the will to win
Mhm.
and find a way.
Yes.
So, the pack seat is $25 on GCI's website, Integrity Outdoor Brands.
25.
$25, and at most places on the internet, $20, $23, $25. You know, I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of places that sell it for under 20.
You know what I like sometimes?
What?
I like sometimes when instead of saying dollars, people say bones.
Mm-hmm.
So you might, in this case, you would say 25 bones.
Right. You know what I like to say?
What?
Junior bacon cheeseburgers.
Instead of bones?
Right.
Oh.
Yeah. So this will cost you about 25 junior bacon cheeseburgers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even though they're normally more than $1.
Well, see, here's the thing: is that Wendy's has developed a system in which they use that in a commercial.
What?
That phrase that it to replace dollar with junior bacon cheeseburger.
Really?
I didn't make that up. Wendy's
Oh,
did.
I thought that was original material.
No, I just ruined it right there
Oh.
because I had to.
Well, it
I had
doesn't
to
make sense. Why would they do that?
I had to protect myself because you called out the fact that sometimes they're not $1.
But why would Wendy's say that but they don't sell them for $1?
Sometimes they do.
Sometimes,
Right. Not all the time.
but rarely.
Right. So we're talking about the pack seat here.
Yeah.
We're going to have to write a letter to Wendy's. And sort of got it. It was on a commercial. I thought it was kind of crafty, but I was like, well, they're not always $1.
No, I
But
can't remember the last time they were $1.
yeah, I think they're $1 now.
Right now,
Yeah. See, you might
$1.29.
be thinking of, or no, double stacks are always $1.
Yeah.
Maybe they said 99-cent double
When
stacks.
we were on the way to Alabama,
Right.
or whatever,
Oh yeah, I know. We didn't pay.
$1.29.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, I think they're like always $1 outside of St. Louis.
I don't know.
We've just ruined GCI's video, I think, with this discussion.
No,
of
I think
Wendy's.
we've enhanced it with the quality of dialogue.
Well, if I could eat any sandwich while sitting down in a high-quality chair, I would choose a Wendy's Junior Bacon Cheeseburger.
Really?
And I would choose the GCI pack seat.
Well, that is a strong statement.
And you can't get much better than that.
No, you can't.
So again, can't reiterate this enough. We are giving away 4 sets of 2 of these. And we're giving away 4 of the Wilderness Recliner. We're going to have 8 winners. Leave a comment either on our YouTube channel,
Yes.
on our website, or on our Facebook page on any video for GCI, and you will be entered into the contest to win.
So you can get up to 4 entries.
Yeah. 4, how's that? Wouldn't that be 3?
Aren't we going to have 4 videos?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were talking about 4 destinations.
No.
4 videos, 3 destinations.
Yes. But
So-
not 12 entries per person.
No. I think we've worn out our welcome here with the amount of web time we're killing here.
Well,
What can you do?
you like the mayonnaise on your junior bacons?
You know, I kind of do, yeah.
You don't go with the tomato, though.
No, I don't.
do go with the tomato.
I lose the tomato. If you're driving down the road and a tomato hits your windshield, it's thrown by me. You know, and I figure that's not littering. You know, the creatures of this world will be able to eat that tomato.
Somebody wants that tomato.
Right, and they'll eat it.
Yeah.
And that's not littering. Throwing a wrapper out the window, unacceptable.
Oh, absolutely.
Tomatoes and pickles, I don't see a problem with that.
Nope.
Sure, someone's going to write in on our video on why that's wrong and evil, but what can you do? So that's our video for today. We're going to look at some more GCI products coming up, and we promise you it'll be just as exciting as today's episode was.
Yes.
And enter in the contest, leave more comments, watch more videos. He's Josh. He's Gary. I'm Ben. CampingGearTV.com.